www.newtoboss.com. This is again Ty. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you on how you can remove the noise on an audio recording or audio voiceover on Camtasia Studio 7. So go to your desktop right here. Again, this would work for Windows 8, Windows 7, back down to the older versions of Windows if you're running Camtasia Studio 7 or probably some lower versions of that. So what you do is you run your Camtasia Studio. I actually have a recording right here, which is too much of a noise with regards to the microphone that I've used here. So I've got lots of sort of like shoo and hissing noise on this. Let me just show it back to you. What you do is you handle the file right here, load that in there, and just drag it here. Then let's not concentrate much on the resolution. You could just do 1280 right there. But again, what we're doing is to remove the noise from the audio itself. Make it a little larger right there so you can see all the waveforms. You got the audio here. This is your audio part. So we're gonna play this so you can listen to what I'm talking about. www.newtoboss.com. There you go. So you see the part right here. This is the part, the blank parts right here. This is the blank part that I'm not actually talking, or I don't overlay any voice. But if you play that, you still have the sound that says shh, something like that. So it would be okay, but if you upload that to YouTube and people are using surround channel speakers and high definition speakers, it would somehow be in there and they still can't hear that. So what you do is to click on this part. It says audio 1, or if this is your voiceover part. Sometimes you got an audio 2, which is your Windows sound, Windows audio that's been recorded together. With that, you don't have to worry much because it's direct from your PC, from your sound card. But here, the input is from your microphone. So again, click on that, right click over that layer, got something that says edit audio. Click on that and it's gonna turn that a little bit into green. So let's make this a little smaller this time so we can see the panels. And we're not gonna make use of the video again right here. So you just drag it to the right. This is what we're gonna need right now. So again, you right click and you get to click edit audio on that. So it's gonna give you these global settings right here. So looking for something that says enable noise removal. Again, enable noise removal. And you can click on advanced right here. Right, so you get to see every option that you have. So you just have to click this, enable noise removal, and it's gonna do that for you automatically. Let's make this again larger and go back to this part. Double click and just click on home. Play that by pressing spacebar on your keyboard. www.newtoboss.com. There you go. Let me zoom this in back up. This was the part earlier, though we actually have the shh noise, right? So just drag that in there, your slider, and play it. See, so you don't have that background noise anymore. But there's a little bit of a problem there sometimes. Let's listen to the audio. www.newtoboss.com. It's gonna clean your audio, but sometimes it's gonna flange it a little bit, like it sounds a little UFOs, a little alienic or something. But anyway, uh, there's no way to circumvent. There's a way to solve that. If you get too much of a flange on your voice because it's trying to remove the noise in your background, you can just adjust the sensitivity right here. You can make it sometimes 50 and you can make it sometimes 1048, right? So again, it's according to your preference or according to something that would output your project to make it sound better, make it sound perfect if you can. So that's all about removing noise from a Camtasia Studio 7 audio recording. For some other video tutorials, you can check out www.nudaboss.com. Again, my name's Ty. Hope the video would help you.